Hey guys, we're back over at Brian and Jean's shop, and we have the 1984 300 CD lapis blue, and we are removing the tint. Brian's already got this side going, just scraping off the glue over here, and we got to knock it off this side over here, and of course the back window. So I'll show it when it's all done, and just got to get them back to. Oh, we also got the side windows. Got to get these right here, but I will show it when it's all done. Got to get them back to factory original. That's how everybody likes them. So stay tuned. Be back in a minute. What you got going on over here?
Man, I got glue all over this window, and I don't know who did it, but I'm getting stuck cleaning it off.
Was this?
Oh, I did it. That was me. Now we're taking this film off, dude. This stuff was a
Let's see.
$5,000 tint job. You taking it off?
That's expensive stuff, huh?
Well, it's not anymore. That's done. That's over with. Brian's back here cleaning the back now. He's got the hard job. There's glue all over that one.
Yeah, so guys, once they get the tint off, what they got to do is the glue residue is all over the windows, and you got to get that stuff off too. But you know, it's worth it on this car. These are all original Mercedes windshields. And where's the logo on here? Oh, I saw it over here, I think. There it is. I guess you guys can't see it. No, there's the star right there. It's got all original glass in it. So this will look really good when it's back to factory original. How's it coming in here, Gene?
Oh man, I'm down to the last place, man. I cut the door panel, man, with my no.
Cut the door panel with a razor blade?
Yeah, it's all good, man. See, I didn't do this job. If I'd done this job, I'd have had to take the door panel off and they just barely went down the edge of the glass right there. You know, the job looked good, but it wasn't a. You see how it goes right there off there? It's barely down. They just barely tucked it behind that rubber, or they tucked the rubber is what they did. I don't do that. I take this stuff off when I do mine.
That's because your stuff's the best.
My stuff never comes off.
All right.
All right, we're toasting.
They're toasting.
We're toasting a really good job. We do that every time we do a fantastic job.
What?
And
this is homemade
cream moonshine.
Homemade moonshine in North Georgia. That's what this is.
Well, the cream comes out of Wisconsin. That's a long walk.
Hey, world magic moonshine.
Here's John. Here's his business right here.
He's doing well.
Right, fantastic job, John.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
Wow.
Looks nice now.
It looks a lot better now that I took that shot.
So was it tinted all the way around?
It was. All that tint's off there now.
It's cleaned up.
Looks
Rubber's
really
all
good.
Clean. We buffed them. We treated them rubbers too.
Looks good. Hey,
all right, we're going to get this back to the shop. Then we'll do the start working on the interior, get the dash out, redo all the wood, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.